Welcome to our channel. Today we how to submit IHSS weekly work hours online, electronic timesheet guide step by step clearly. To submit your in-home supportive services, or IHSS, weekly work hours online, start by logging into the IHSS electronic timesheet portal. Open your internet browser and navigate to the IHSS website. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, locate the section labeled Timesheets. Click on Submit Timesheets to begin the process. Select the week for which you need to report your work hours. Review the week's dates to ensure you are entering the correct time frame. Enter the total hours worked for each day in the provided fields. Make sure to include any overtime hours, if applicable. If you need to add additional days, look for the option to do so. Double-check your entries for accuracy before moving forward. Once all hours are entered, click the button to review your timesheet. This will prompt a summary of your entered information. Ensure that everything is correct before submitting. If any corrections are needed, you can go back to make changes. After reviewing, click on the Submit button to send your timesheet. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your timesheet has been submitted successfully. Keep a record of this confirmation for your personal documentation. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact support for assistance. Always remember to submit your timesheet on time to ensure prompt payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.